Hi, a very good morning to all of you. It's been indeed a splendid journey to be here and be here at GSBI. I am Sujay Santra, founder and CEO at iCure. iCure's mission is to provide affordable and accessible quality primary healthcare to the people in rural India. A brief about myself: I have spent more than 12 years working in IBM and Oracle before starting our journey in 2009. We have around 840 million people staying in the villages who do not have access to quality primary care. And majority of them, they have to travel more than 3 miles for accessing to the basic primary care needs. And in majority of the cases, even after they travel, they do not get the access to the doctors and such facilities. So how do we address this problem? iCure has set up with a very basic building blocks, wherein it is setting up these physical clinics by partnering with the local NGOs who do have these physical infrastructures. iCure is partnering with them by spending close to only $500 by converting these physical infrastructures as clinics. We do have a medical team to take care of 6 clinics, wherein they are managing 3 clinics every day, wherein by that every clinic is managed every alternate day. So when a patient is walking inside the clinic, they are able to get quality doctor consultation and medicine for as low as $1.6 as against $4 to $5 for the same set of services elsewhere. In addition to that, they are also can avail ECG services, sugar test, blood pressure checkup, as well as basic blood tests being done. In case they need any additional services such as physiotherapy, they can come up to our hub clinic. In order to make this whole system very effective, iCure has developed its own proprietary technology solution, WIMS, which stands for Wireless Health Incident Monitoring System. Throughout our journey, we have literally spent a lot of time working on the ground to understand the technology challenges, what works, what does not work, and thereby we have designed this solution. In the clinic, the health workers, they can carry these tablets wherein they can feed all the informations, which can work even at the last mile where there is no internet or electricity. And when the health worker comes within the internet zone, this data gets synchronized back to the cloud. Inside our clinics, we have the paramedic assistants who can feed this entire data both from a clinical aspects as well as from the administrative aspects like medicine, pharmacy, data analytics. And in case the patients need access to the secondary or the tertiary care, these patients can be referred to the hospitals who can go through these informations. So the timing is perfect. There has been a new law which is focusing on the corporate social responsibility, which is asking the big corporates to donate 2% of their profit in the social projects in India. Earlier, the poor patients, they had only one option to go to the government healthcare services. And in many cases, these are very few and far between. Now, these poor people, they are empowered with RSBI or the health insurance cards. So they have the option to seek medical services both for the inpatient as well as newly outpatient services, wherein they may have to spend only 10 cents and the remaining $1.50 can be covered by the insurance providers. Of late, there has been an emergence of several hospitals in the big cities and towns, and for them, iCure becomes a natural partner to partner for their own customer base. So we started our journey in 2009 and we registered the company in 2010. We spent close to 2.5 years to find out what exactly works, what kind of business model, what kind of technology model works. And then we set our first clinic in November 2012, and in a very short time, we have expanded to 28 clinics. We are also selling our technology solution to various corporates, governments, research organizations. We do have a very strong team that comprises of the technology and the medical team in place. Also, we have a very strong board which is giving us the right direction. We know that in order to achieve this mission, we do need strategic partners to make this work. We are fortunate to have partnered with some of the very leading hospitals across India for various second opinion and referrals. We have partnered with NGOs such as Rotary, NABARD, who do have these physical infrastructures, so thereby it helps us to quickly convert these infrastructures as our clinics. We are also working with leading names such as Philips and Bosch to come up with low-cost point-of-care devices that can give more and better services in these rural areas. In terms of the financials, we are looking forward to break even in the first quarter of 2017. By that time, we would be able to touch 1 million lives, because in many cases, we are conducting free spot camps and health camps for awareness building exercises. We are looking forward to raise $1.8 million. We have already raised $250,000 from venture funds in United States, Japan, and in India. We are also looking for various philanthropy support that can help us in various areas such as pharmacy, research collaborations, and others. We understand that iCure has got the technology skills, a very low cost, a disruptive technology in place. We understand the rural healthcare delivery, and these two combinations make us really unique to come up with a formidable solution. Come be a part of this journey for a better life, for a better world. Thank you.